Hi there designers! Some of you wanted to know how I made that 3D letter animation in my previous video. It was initially done by Robert Matthias, also known as Panta or Panta Vision, which I first thought required 3D software, but actually it was done using Illustrator and After Effects only. Thanks for the tutorial mate. In 3D and Materials tab in Illustrator, I've set extrusion settings how I wanted, tweaked lighting options and hit render. Then keeping my letter selected, I clicked on File, Export Selection, picked the generated asset, chose the location and set the file type to GLTF and hit Export Asset. I've changed the file name and dropped it into my compositions in After Effects. Clicked OK to the settings, but you might want to tweak them. Scaled my letter to fit the frame and started setting the keyframe on the timeline. The first one at the start of the frame, the second keyframe at 2 seconds, and horizontal rotation at 42. Then I went back to the first frame and set horizontal rotation to -42, so that my letter moves from left to right. I've copy-pasted the keyframes every 2 seconds for looping effect, and smoothened them using ease to ease. And that's that. I hope it was relatively clear and easy to follow. Otherwise let me know if there are any issues, and make sure to share your animated designs with me.